Hey, we are here with 2017 Nisan Miicra, and I want to show you a quick fix for the climate control. So basically, when you turn the dial to the heating position, it will get stuck on the heating position because the cable is worn out. Let me show you first of all what I want to do right now. So you have here this little plastic trim. You take off one clips, pull it up a little bit, and then you have here the shelf for the heating or cold position for the temperature. And when I turn the dial, let me show you what happened to the lever. So look at the black lever. As I turn the dial, you see it turned clockwise. So now when I try to put it back to colder temperature, it won't do anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to push my finger over there and turn it back to the most cold position. And that's it. To fix this issue, you will need to take out all of your dashboard, and it's a very complicated job. So if you just want the AC to blow cold air, that's what you can do.